Welcome to the course Unconventional Machining Process. In this session, we are going to discuss on material removal in EDM and process parameters. Mechanism of material removal in EDM will be understood by this particular single discharge diagram. Material removal in EDM mainly occurs due to intense localized heating almost by point heat source for a small time frame. In EDM, for a particular machining condition, there are numerous phenomena involved, that is heat conduction and radiation, phase changes, electrical forces, full formation and collapse, rapid solidification, etc. Thermoelectric phenomena is the most appropriate theory for the explanation of the electrical discharge machining process. This particular diagram gives the material removal phenomena in EDM. In the step 1, the dielectric breakdown happened due to the supply voltage. Step 2, the melting and evaporation of the material happened. Then the expansion of bubbles happened due to the discharge column. That means the electrons from the cathode moves towards the anode and the ions from work material goes to the cathode through this dielectric medium. And the debris are removal and bubbles may collapse and it creates the huge temperature and pressure. Finally, the melted and evaporated. The debris are recovered from the flushing system. Then recovery of the dielectric strength, then the cycle will repeat. The material removal process for a single spark is an intensive electric field developed in the gap between the electrode and workpiece. There are some contaminants inside the dielectric fluid which fill a high conductivity bridge between the electrode and workpiece. When the voltage increases, the bridge and dielectric fluid between the electrode and workpiece heat up. The dielectric is ionized to form a spark channel. The temperature and pressure rapidly increase and a spark is generated. A small amount of material is evaporated on the electrode and workpiece at the spark contact point. Bubbles rapidly expand and explode during sparking until the voltage is turned off. Next, the heating channel collapses and the dielectric fluid enters into the cap in order to flush away the molten metal particles. Now we move into the EDM process parameters. It is mainly classified into two categories, process parameters and performance parameters. It can be understood by this particular diagram. The process parameters again classified into electrical and non-electrical parameters, and the performance measures may be given as MRR, TWR and SR. We discuss in detail in the next slide. EDM process parameters: one is open circuit voltage, second one working voltage, third one is maximum current, fourth one is pulse on time, fifth one is pulse off time, then spark gap between the workpiece and the tool, polarity, that is straight polarity, that means tool is negative, dielectric medium and external flushing through the spark gap. EDM process parameters are mainly related to the waveform characteristics we can understand from this particular diagram, in which the top one, it gives the working voltage. Here the T on and T off times are indicated, and the bottom one, it gives the pulse current supply. Here there may be some initial ignition delay, then the pulse duration, then pulse off. So during the pulse off, there is no current supply. At the time the dielectric will break down and it produces the melting and evaporation will happen in the material. The cycle is repeated. Performance parameters, one is material removal rate, second one is relative electrode wear, third one is surface finish, then fourth one is thickness of recast layer, fifth one is gap between electrode and workpiece, then corner and edge ready. The fishbone diagram of EDM process, it gives all the important main parameters related with EDM process. The pulse parameters already we discussed, and the fluid medium based on the dielectric fluid and properties, and the electrode based on the electrode materials and work material, and the noise factors, it gives the various input parameters and the process response. Different process also we can use, wire cut EDM or singing EDM or hybrid EDM process and all. Basically the MRR is a function of the current and the melting point of the workpiece material. The three properties that affect MRR are thermal conductivity, electrical resistivity and melting temperature. The range from 2 to 400 millimeter cube per minute. High rate produces rough finish having a molten and recast structure with poor surface integrity and low fatigue properties. MRR in practice thus increase with increase in working voltage, current, pulse on time, and MRR decreases with increase in pulse off time. Then surface finish, it depends on the current density and material being machined. RA varies from 0.05 to 12.5 micron. New techniques use an oscillating electrode providing very fine surface finishes. From this particular diagram we can measure the roughness value. So roughness in EDM would increase with increase in spark energy. Surface finish can be improved by decreasing working voltage, working current and pulse on time. This diagram will indicates the relation between MRR and mean current. Increase in current on spark voltage result in increased MRR and surface roughness. Here the supply voltage Vs1 is greater than Vs2. And this diagram, it shows the increase in pulse duration decreases MRR and increases surface roughness value. That is MRR, again we note that brass is greater than MRR of copper, and MRR reverse polarity is greater than MRR of normal polarity. From this particular second diagram we can note that RA value of brass is greater than RA value of copper. So, case study report, experimental investigation on machining characteristic of AL6061 hybrid metal matrix composites produced by EDM machining process. Effect of current on response variable. From this particular diagram we understand that high current values result in high thermal loading on both tool and workpiece electrode, lead to high material removal rate and tool wear rate. The surface roughness value also slightly increases with increase in current. Effect of pulse on time on response variable. From this particular graph, we observe that the MRR and surface roughness are directly proportional to the pulse on time, whereas the tool wear rate is opposite. Effect of voltage on response variables. From this particular diagram, the variation of machining parameters with voltage is shown in the particular figure. Effect of flushing pressure variables, it can be noted that the material removal rate and surface roughness increases with increase in dielectric flushing pressure. The tool wear rate decreases with increasing flushing pressure. EDM relative to other machining processes. The comparison of the capability with different machining and EDM, including accuracy and the surface finish of the final product, is given this particular diagram. We can understand where the EDM process is available for surface quality of roughness in between the 100 to 50 microns, and the surface dimensions of between 50 and 10. Similarly, you can select the laser machining or some micro machining EDM also is there. So we can understand this relative machining process. Thanks for watching this video. In next video we can able to see the advantages, limitation and applications of EDM process. Active online learning and happy machining.